The pig farming industry in China not only generates enormous revenue, but also hides many secrets that few know about. Everything takes place on an incredible scale. But are there challenges behind all of this? Let's explore together in this video. The pig farming industry in China not only generates enormous revenue, but also hides many secrets that few know about. Everything takes place on an incredible scale. But are there challenges behind all of this? Let's explore together in this video. China is the largest producer and consumer of pork in the world, accounting for over 50% of total production. The pig farming industry in China has undergone significant changes over the past decades, shifting from small family farms to large industrial-scale operations. This development aims to meet the massive domestic demand and ensure national food security. Pork is the most important source of protein in the daily diet of the Chinese people, making up about 60% of the total meat consumption each year. Due to the enormous demand, China has developed a large and modern pig farming industry. The pig farms here not only focus on producing large quantities, but also apply advanced technology to optimize efficiency, control diseases, and protect the environment. The adoption of cutting-edge technology in farming helps China maintain its position as the leading pork producer and ensures the sustainable development of the global pork industry. Pig farms in China are increasingly developing toward industrialization, with large-scale operations and modern management systems. These farms are designed to optimize space, control the environment, and ensure biosecurity for the pigs. Many farms adopt the cage farming model, which helps save land space, easily control diseases, and increase production efficiency. The housing systems are equipped with temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and an automatic ventilation system to create the best living conditions for the pigs. Additionally, the farms have modern waste management areas that help reduce environmental pollution. With strong investments in technology and infrastructure, the pig farming industry in China is moving towards a more sustainable and efficient production model. Pig farms in China implement various modern methods to care for the pigs, ensuring high productivity and effective disease control. The feeding system provides a balanced diet at each growth stage of the pigs, reducing food waste and ensuring uniform growth rates. Large-scale farms also use health monitoring sensors to track the pig's body temperature, activity, and signs of illness, allowing for timely intervention. Thanks to these modern care methods, farms not only improve farming efficiency but also minimize risks and environmental impact. Pig farms in China adopt a scientific nutrition regime to ensure that pigs grow healthily and reach standard weights. If you like this video, please comment 1 to let me know. The main feed for pigs consists of grains such as corn, wheat, and soybeans, combined with various types of food waste. Some large farms even use formula-based feed produced on modern production lines, which helps optimize growth rates and reduce the risk of diseases. Pigs are usually fed 2 to 3 times a day, depending on their age and growth stage. Piglets are given multiple small meals to aid digestion, while adult pigs can be fed at fixed times. Additionally, the farms provide clean water continuously through automatic drinking systems to ensure that the pigs always have enough water, supporting digestion and effective growth. When a sow gives birth, she usually has 10 to 14 piglets and can give birth 2 to 2.5 times a year. After birth, the piglets are cleaned, vaccinated, and allowed to nurse within the first 24 hours to strengthen their immune system. Large farms use heating systems to maintain a stable temperature, helping the piglets avoid getting cold. During the first few weeks, they are fed soft food, and by 4 to 5 weeks of age, they are moved to a separate pen. Thanks to modern care procedures, the survival rate of piglets continues to increase, helping stabilize the supply of pork. In addition, cleaning the pens helps prevent diseases and creates a clean environment for the pigs. Farmers clean the manure, change the water, and check the ventilation daily. Periodically, the pens are washed with high-pressure water and disinfected. Large farms also use an automatic waste treatment system, which helps reduce pollution and improve farming efficiency. If you think this video is interesting, please comment 0 on this video. To determine if pigs meet the standard for processing, farms usually rely on the weight, age, and health status of the pigs. Typically, market pigs weighing between 220 to 280 pounds are suitable for processing, as this is when the ratio of lean meat to fat is balanced, ensuring the best meat quality. Additionally, the ideal age for slaughter is usually between 5 to 6 months, depending on the breed of the pig and the feeding regimen. Besides weight and age, the health condition of the pigs is also crucial. Pigs must be thoroughly checked before slaughter to ensure they are free of infectious diseases and show no signs of weakness or malnutrition. The processing of pigs begins immediately after slaughter, with professional procedures to ensure food safety. First, the pigs are cleaned, their hair and internal organs are removed, and then they are categorized into different cuts of meat such as belly, shoulder, ribs, and hams to meet consumer needs. Pork is processed into many delicious dishes like stir-fried or boiled. In China, pork is commonly used for dishes like braised pork and sweet and sour ribs. Thanks to this variety, pork has become a staple in daily meals. The bones and fat are separated for use in food processing or industry. After categorization, the pork is chilled or frozen for long-term preservation before being brought to the market. Building pig farms in China requires scientific planning to optimize farming efficiency and ensure biosecurity. First, the farm should be located far from residential areas, with access to clean water and a modern waste treatment system to minimize pollution. The structure of the pens must ensure good ventilation, maintaining appropriate temperature and humidity for each season. Pig farming is one of the key industries in China's agriculture, making a significant contribution to the national economy and ensuring food security. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, the demand for pork in China is immense, accounting for approximately 60% of total meat consumption. This drives the rapid development of the pig farming industry, creating millions of jobs, from farmers and processors to traders, distributors, and retailers. Currently, China not only meets domestic demand but also exports to many countries, particularly markets like Hong Kong, Vietnam, Japan, and the Philippines. Revenue from pork exports and related products brings in billions of dollars each year, helping China's agricultural economy maintain sustainable growth.
Combining squid with butter won't disappoint you. Let's give it a try. Have you learned the whole process yet? Now let's put the squid into this spiralizer. Hold and tear this piece of squid. It's genuinely amazing to enjoy it with a refreshing glass of beer right now. The KSB2 cabbage coring machine can core up to 600 cabbages per hour. The CAP 68 cabbage cutting machine can efficiently process the already cored cabbages. That packaging line seals the deal for those top-notch orange juice bottles. The plastic bottles are passed through a system of washers and dryers before being used to package the orange juice. Thousands of soda bottles on the conveyor belt line up one after another to the labeling section. The assembly line operates automatically and precisely. As a sashimi enthusiast, you can't miss out on these delicious fresh salmon slices. A cookie packaging assembly line with the highest speed I've ever seen. Isn't the food processing robot a wonderful thing? If you're not quite skilled enough to craft a beautifully decorated cake for a birthday party, this machine will lend you a hand. Each move is swift and precise, just like a skilled baker. Designed with a variety of nozzles to suit different types of cakes. We will guide you on how to prepare the recipe for lamb chops with salsa pineapple sauce. To prepare the pineapple salsa, use the AMS 220 pineapple and melon peeling machine. Wishing you success and enjoyment while following this recipe. The fantastic paper cup manufacturing plant produces 3 million disposable cups every day. Giant rolls of white paper are fed into the machine with the assistance of a specialized forklift. After decorating, they are cut into the cup's template shape. The cup's shape gradually takes form thanks to this machine. Attaching the base and rim is the final step before they are bundled and boxed. If you want to produce Harvard but don't want to invest in an entire production line, consider making Harvard on the Montpensier machine. The Montpensier machine allows you to produce up to 20 kilograms of candy per hour. The London Yaki production machine is fantastic. The machine is synchronized with 3 nozzles. The batter and filling are poured into the mold in sequence. The baking and flipping system is also automated to produce uniform and high-quality cakes. It's simple. The cakes are easily removed with a simple operation to make them look perfect. London Yaki is made from honey and eggs with a light white bean paste, offering a simple yet delicious flavor that everyone can enjoy. The dual-lane high-speed vacuum bag packaging machine is a pioneer, with a production speed of up to 160 BPM. This is the process of making French fries at a factory in Japan. Only the finest quality potatoes are selected for use in this factory. First, they are thoroughly washed and peeled. The sliced potatoes are then fried in giant industrial fryers. Take a look at the result. The conveyor belts are filled with delicious fries waiting to be packaged. The fries undergo a final quality check before reaching consumers' hands. The quality is truly perfect, and you can trust the product. It is impressive how this pineapple juice production line operates. The pineapple farms are meticulously selected, from seed selection to careful cultivation. After harvesting, the pineapples are brought to the factory for thorough cleaning. Are they dancing on the conveyor belt because they've just been refreshed? This machine is truly miraculous. It peels and juices the pineapples in just one step. Looking at this delicious pineapple juice tank, I understand why those pineapples are so happy. you can purchase this machine for your beloved family. The robot arms combined with the electronic weighing system operate accurately and smoothly. If you enjoy our video, please comment 1-8 wow. In this video, we showcase the inspiring applications of the pastry shaping machine. With this machine, you can unleash your creativity to make various types of pastries with different designs. Who wants to try this delicious dish? And what's this special dish called? Let's hear its name so everyone knows. Automated onion sorting, integrated solutions, and high-end machinery to optimize the onion packaging process. The integrated pork packaging production line is fully equipped, providing packaging line solutions for maximum flexibility, minimal downtime, and increased overall efficiency. The world's largest modern pig farm is an icon of progress in the livestock and food technology industries. What mainly attracts attention is the pork processing and cutting line with multi-million-dollar technology. This assembly line is not just a machinery system, but also an exquisite combination of automation and precision in production. From selecting and arranging the pigs to processing the meat to the highest standards, each step in the process is executed with precision and optimal efficiency. The integration of technology and craftsmanship makes this assembly line a symbol of modernity and advancement in the pork processing industry. The V35 vacuum packaging machine is compact and user-friendly. You can vacuum seal cheese, meat, various nuts, and other products beautifully and tightly in the blink of an eye. The Thompson 4200 mixing grinder with a mobile 200L container, grinding fresh meat at a 4.5 mm level. This is a creative solution for sorting and packaging apricots. The flexible drive design allows for the creation of conveyor belts suitable for various applications, from snacks, nuts, baked goods, dried fruits, and cereals to frozen and wet products. The packaging machine can pack 60 to 200 pieces per minute, depending on the type and size of the product. Does this machine benefit your store? If not, please leave a 0. A compact assembly line solution for automatic channeling and product loading using robots. The reliable gripping technology enhances safety and efficiency in the process. Thanks to its compact design and space-saving layout, it provides flexible solutions for cutting all kinds of food. The proven treff cutting technology allows for slicing with a thickness of 0.7 millimeters. Distribute the carrots for the operator to sort. After being thoroughly washed, the apples are transferred onto the automated conveyor belt. With the combination of human input, the apples are boxed up and ready for delivery to consumers. With this dough twister machine, you won't have to get your hands dirty every time you step into the kitchen. Frying in a large skillet, these crispy and delicious twists will be all yours. Vertical plate freezing solution for fish and seafood. It is optimized for rapid freezing, long running times, and high productivity. Fries paired with a cool ice cream cone a good choice? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you agree with me, press 1. We've just visited the beautiful country of Japan, and now let's explore the traditional rice cakes of South Korea. This delicacy is made from freshly harvested glutinous rice, cleaned and ground into fine powder. The powder is steamed in multiple layers in steamers for a certain period. The extruder machine is cleaned and prepared for the next step. The steamed rice flour is then fed into the extruder, and let's see the result. They look like soft, delicate strands, don't they? Now they will be cut into appropriate sizes. Thinly slice it using a slicer into noodle-like strands that we know or serve steamed with dried seaweed. They look amazing indeed, especially the bright red beans. Are you curious about how these tiny beans are made? I noticed that the molds for these candies are made of powder instead of plastic. Isn't that amazing? These candies will be coated with natural and healthy colors. This installation system is designed to package strawberry trays in the Atlanta Flowpack machine at up to 120 trays per minute. It includes several manual loading stations and a conveyor belt check weigher to ensure proper weight on the trays. Is a flexible solution for ceviche, croquettes, skewers, and all pressed and portioned products with precision. Thank you for watching the entire video. Have you chosen your breakfast for tomorrow yet? Leave a comment below. If you found this video interesting, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the following. As a sashimi enthusiast, you can't miss out on these delicious fresh salmon slices. A cookie packaging assembly line with the highest speed I've ever seen. Isn't the food processing robot a wonderful thing? If you're not quite skilled enough to craft a beautifully decorated cake for a birthday party, this machine will lend you a hand. Each move is swift and precise, just like a skilled baker. Designed with a variety of nozzles to suit different types of cakes.